Fancy learning Welsh the easy way? So do I. Let's do it together. Hello there, and welcome to another episode of Learn Welsh with Will, the show where I share with you what I'm learning in my quest to become a Welsh speaker. Today, I'll be showing you how to tell people what you want and what you don't want in Welsh. It's a very easy thing to do, but it's extremely handy to know. The basic phrase for saying I want in Welsh is dwi isio. But when you hear it spoken on the street, it almost sounds like one word, dwi isio. To turn this into a useful phrase, you need only add the object of your desire on the end. For example, dwi isio paned o de. I want a cup of tea. Dwi isio paned o goffi. I want a cup of coffee. Dwi isio diod. I want a drink. Dwi isio un arall. I want one more. Dwi isio bwyd. I want food. The basic phrase for saying I don't want in Welsh is exactly the same, but with the addition of one word, ddim. For example, dwi ddim isio paned o de. I don't want a cup of tea. Dwi ddim isio paned o goffi. I don't want a cup of coffee. Dwi ddim isio diod. I don't want a drink. Dwi ddim isio un arall. I don't want one more. Dwi ddim isio bwyd. I don't want food. So there you go, it's not that difficult after all. And it's a good idea to slip these in as stock phrases, even in your everyday English conversation. And if you do that, you will find that they soon become second nature, and you'll find that you're using them even without thinking about it. Well, that's all for this episode. Dwi isio paned o de rŵan. See you next time. Hwyl.